path dependency. That's right.
Oh wait, the stream says it shut down. Let me restart it.
What? It doesn't say shut down for me.
Oh, sorry, I just got a message that said shut down. Can you check to see if we're still live on YouTube?
Checking.
Path dependency is, hey, if you didn't go a straight line down there, how did the path squirrel its way down to that level? And what could you have done differently in order to make sure you got the trade? I finally figured it out.
We're still live.
Or I know the thread that was missing.
Wait, you figured out something?
I did. That levels can become unmitigated once again. They could get unmitigated.
So how does that help you?
Unmitigated? It helps me because my script is able to detect normal mitigation levels. It could either not show mitigation levels, it could extend it to the first time it gets hit, and it can extend it even further still. But I need to be able to revive levels if we're revisiting it. There's different, so it could be like, maybe it only gets mitigated after a certain number of hits. Maybe it only gets mitigated after another level created after it gets mitigated, or beyond it. I'm gonna have to look to see what I'm gonna do there. But clearly what happened over the overnight tonight is that the VWAP levels from the previous day, wait a second. So you see this level here at 24,983, this mitigated level?
Yes.
Well, that was from 2 days ago, VWAP, but that's where the price came back to. Over here in the overnight last night at 4 o'clock in order to do the short. And then again, that's what happened yesterday. Yesterday, the price came back over here up to the daily level from before. So these levels can get revisited. I just have to take a look into what circumstances. All right, we just got here to the daily level here before market even opened. I forgot to enter my position, so that sort of sucks. But
wait, you wanted to enter for reversal for
a bounce here.
A bounce to where?
We can get
51?
to anywhere up. Here it would be up to, I mean, it could be anywhere. All the levels above us now are mitigated up to a 2-hour level of 24,945. So it could be 230 points up. But there's a strong chance that we head lower today. But we'll see. Because we have this 2-hour level down here at 24.6, and it could call the price, especially on OpEx day like today. So who knows? It's all playing with gunpowder here today. Today's full on, not just a cornucopia Hunger Games opening, but a quarter quell. All right, this is where
this is Hunger Games lore. Everybody
Hunger Games lore, where you have
how old is that
the
movie?
victors. What do you mean? There's still new movies coming out. We're having another Hunger Games soon. Sunrise on the Reaping. Have you not read that book?
Okay, why don't you get the show started? We got Trey in the chat we got to get to. We've got Joanna in the chat we got to get to. So do your spiel. And let's say hello to our buddies out there, our friends.
Sure. I want to welcome everyone to Price Action Live at TradersPost for February 20th, Friday, February 20th, 2026. It's Friday today?
It's Friday today.
That's right. I'm here to... I'm one of your traders, Tom, Sacred Prophet Hartman, alongside Peter, Exit Liquidity Hartman, part of the TradersPost marketing crew. Up to 4... I'm so eager for Mike to come back, Peter. Because you being with Bambi. What happened to mommy? Yeah, sometimes Bambi's mother. Up to 4 days a week at Price Action Live, we trade in front of you using the advanced trade execution engine known as TradersPost, the epic software that upgrades your trading. So whether trading stocks, futures, options, or crypto, TradersPost has got you covered. Today's stream is brought to you by Blue Sky, the best-in-class prop firm that offers same-day activation, daily payouts, and no max restrictions. visit bluesky.pro and sign up for your first prop firm account today and trade futures like never before. Use coupon code WELCOME26 to get 50% off your launch plan account for first-time subscribers. I'm actually very happy today because I was able to get, come on, right? Isn't my mouse
Okay, while you're doing
working
that,
like
I'm
this?
really happy about Trey in the chat. He's saying here, happy Friday, gang. Sick as hell at work.
No!
But in a good mood. Hang on, let me pull up this. Sick as hell, but in a good mood seeing you guys. Well, we're in a good mood seeing you. I've got a little bit of a thing going on too, but sounds like you got it bad there. But very happy to have you here on this happy Friday for sure, Trey. We have Joanne. Sorry for misspelling your name there in the chat. Hello, guys, she says. She also said bonjour, Tom, which I think is super fancy. Super fancy.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
That means goodbye in French.
No. Good to see you folks there. And anybody who's lurking, I'm seeing this other chat here. Oh, that's spam. Never mind. Are you anybody in a trade? What do you think is happening in the market today? Bearish, bullish? Let us know what you're doing, if you're doing, what you're thinking. We are interested. Right now, Tom and I were sitting on the sidelines. We missed this big move down, but apparently Tom, the secret prophet payout poppy, figured out something that will help his levels indicator. So I'm really happy about that. Anything that makes us better is good. Anything that makes us worse is not good. I was going to say poop, but I don't know. All right. I also miss Mike Christensen because Tom is he's a little
Cut his mic. Cut his mic.
He's a little yeah.
So I think I have to set it up so that levels, that a VWAP level in my rule set needs to be mitigated in more than one trading session. So we have the Asian session, the London session, the US session.
Hey, shut up for a second. Trey, no trades yet, 1 loss and 2 wins overnight. Well done, sir.
Well, it's only well done if it's not running a negative RR strategy. Are you up is the question, Trey. That's right.
What? 2 wins is
we're
2
all
wins.
We're all accountability buddies here.
Good on you.
No, because Trey likes to show he trades better than I do, clearly, and he likes to show me up, which is fair. But then I want receipts.
Look, we see your receipts, which are down, so everybody else is probably up compared to you.
Hey. My Bitcoin short is still playing out very nicely.
All right.
Very happy about that. All right, 9:30 is about to be upon us here. We have 1 minute until the quarter quell.
Well, so we'll get back to your levels insight there in a moment, all right? So
yeah. What matters over here is what levels we are looking at for today for MNQ. I could see a downside risk move all the way to 23,960, which I think is totally possible, and then a upside move to 25,556. And because of that big range, and because we are right at support right now, I don't know what's going to happen, and so I am basically staying out of it for the little bit because we can get completely whipsawed just like yesterday. Today is OpEx, folks, right? Today's OpEx. That means we have options expiry for a number of different reasons. This causes volatility, or can cause volatility in the market, especially if there's any news. The bell rings, the gates open. What do we see here? And we're off and running, and we see the green candle starting off in the 15-minute and the 1 minute going green, going red.
What is this? Auction here.
Ooh, auction.
Look at that. All right.
Yeah.
I'm going in. Going in.
Wait, you're going in for what?
Yes, bearish, baby. Rule number 1, don't trade the first 5 minutes. Rule number 2, don't trade the first 10 minutes. Rule number 3, don't trade the first 15 minutes of the open. Look at that. Look at that. I would have chased that red candle and I would have been eaten alive. But now I'm going to go green bullish. I'm about to click the button. Watch, it's going to turn. Watch. As soon as I would click it right now.
So did I tell you I was able to get the command pad working on Arc browser?
Yes. Does it
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
work?
Yeah. I mean,
Oh
it's all
my
working on my
god.
browser. I'm very happy about it. I was able to fix that, so I'm going to be pushing that to Mike to review to Codebase. Um, to me, it's important not just for Arc browser, but for any. I don't really like. I like pop-up windows. I don't like sidebars,
Right.
especially since I use TradingView inside my desktop app, and so now the idea that I can actually have I could have this on any window that I want, I think is absolutely great.
So
So
cool.
happy about it. Yeah,
Hey,
there's some
Joanna in the
things
chat.
to work out, but yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, some things to work out. Go ahead.
Yeah, there's some features that I want to like manage the window because it wasn't made with a pop-up in mind. So there's things that needs to be done, but I'm really happy I even got this far.
I'm super happy about that too. Joanne says, I'm a friend of Mustang Trader and I'm happy to join you. Well, any friend
Hey,
of Mustang Trader is a friend of ours. Good
that's
to
right.
have you here with us today. Very much appreciate it. Are you in a trade? Are you trading? Let me see if I missed your chats about that. Yeah, let me know if you're in the market, what you're seeing. If you're a trader at all, I don't know, maybe you're not. I used to not trade and still watch this stuff. It's very entertaining. The markets are a divination tool to let you know what's happening in the world. Look at that green candle. All right,
So this
going
is the bounce I
in,
wanted to
going
be in,
in.
Peter. So
Yeah, but you're
I
not
wanted to set
running
a
it.
limit order at 24/7 or
Mhm.
694, and this is what I would be in right now.
Right.
But you know,
Gambles. We don't gamble
this
anymore.
more.
Huh?
Well, to me, it's not a gamble. This is a perfect entry.
But you didn't get in. You missed it. Is
I
that it?
didn't get in it because I was too busy setting up stream stuff and
I
getting
see.
things
I see.
working.
I get you. I get you. So once
Um,
we hit VWAP, then we're going to pull back around. Then we have our second bite of the apple, right?
we don't know. I'm taking a look at.
We don't know.
Let's take a look at Gamma right now. We are at.
Negative or positive? Joanne says
You're getting it. You're getting it.
she is a trader in the market, but newbie. Same here. I started like 2 weeks ago. I mean, I've been digesting all the information for a couple of years now. But
Oh God. I know Peter doesn't want me to be upset or whatever that I missed this trade.
oh, are you
I
upset
missed this
about it?
trade. I
It's such
feel a
good-
little something about it.
Well, what's really upsetting is that this is the last trade. There will never be another trade. And
That's right.
this is a Sigma event you're witnessing here, so you're really missing out.
Peter, you say stuff like that, but those things do happen.
No, I know.
This could be my last trade ever.
This.
I'm hanging up my cape, and I'm going to be a
Right.
HR representative.
HR? No,
Yeah,
you
that's
don't
my
belong
passion
anywhere close. You should not be anywhere close to HR unless you're
I'm
being
about
admonished.
employee assessments and vacation days
Uh-huh.
and hiring and firing. That's where I'm at right now, Peter.
Mm.
So this was supposed to be my last trade.
This is it. This is your last move. This is the Ocean's 11 one last job.
I met an oracle that said February 20th,
Uh-huh.
2026 is my last trading day, and I will either make enough money in order to retire or
Uh-huh.
not.
I guess you'll be working for the rest of your life. Get used to it.
Oh God.
Look at that candle, Tom. Doesn't that just eat you up?
Well, what I do like is when price moves exactly where I expect it to move.
Mhm.
There's just something so
Mhm.
juicy about being able to make predictions.
Yeah. I
It
get
does
that.
it does make me feel good. Here we just hit weekly VWAP, so we're turning back over. And I always love looking at this and going, someone just lost their children's college tuition there, and
you
someone
love
else made it. Someone else made it.
Someone else made
But
it.
to be fair, I just think about the person who lost it.
Yeah,
Um,
I bet.
It's called commiserating.
In the chat, Trey says we have news today at 9:45 a.m.
Oh, do we? Let's check the calendar.
Check it out. Make sure you check all the alerts, right? The thing we talked about yesterday, all the things that you failed to check, the Dixie, spot
No,
gamma.
that's only if I'm in a trade. Well, check spot gamma. We're at.
Well, you gotta help the people who are watching,
You're right. Well, they're not trading off of what I'm saying.
bruh. You give them some insight. You think they're watching us just for our friendly banter? Come on.
Right. Fair enough. So okay. So we have core PCE today. So inflation data. We have GDP quarter over quarter. We have well, that's the S&P PMI. That's not as important. and then new home sales. So let's see what happens there.
Hey, if you're gonna say something, I'm gonna teach you something, Tom, about public speaking. If
All
you're
right.
gonna say something, you want to commit to what you're saying. Every word matters, and you want to respect the people who are listening. If you want to just trail off and just say things, then
Well,
don't say it.
today at 8:30, we had core
No,
PCE
that's too over
data.
the top. It's gotta be
Inflation
natural.
came at 0.4%,
Uh-huh.
which is above our expectation. So that means inflation increasing. GDP Q over Q, that's our quarterly GDP, is at 1.4%, which is well below the prior 4.4%. What's going on there?
Okay, that's better. You don't need to be patronizing about it, but that is better. You got to
Okay,
commit to
Peter,
what you're saying.
While I'm saying all that, the reason why is one, the candle's bouncing, and I'm furious
Tom, look at this candle.
that it wasn't in this trade.
I can't believe you were not in this trade.
Oh my God.
I can't believe it. I hope Joanna's
Yep.
in this trade.
Yep, this is
Going the right way. I
Yeah.
hope she's not like,
how many points was that? 176 points.
How much would you
A
have
level
made?
I've been calling for the last 3 days, and I'm busy being lectured by my brother.
So where can it
We
go
gotta
up
be
to?
careful here. We gotta be careful here because we insult each other, and then people might think that we mean it,
Yeah, no, we don't.
and we don't. We're all positivity here. We're just all friendly and nice.
Trey says, I'm now in a long. Is it too late to get into this long?
Too late? It
I'm
depends.
gonna get
What
a
your
little
trade
bit
is.
of- Where are we heading up to?
Oh, I already said that at the beginning of the show, Peter. We can go all the way up to 25,
I
553.
25,553.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But because we have
So we still got room to the upside.
Well, Gamma right now is
and you get in.
Gamma right now is at 237 million positive. So we don't, it's not likely that we get super high unless there's some sort of catalyst that comes in. This is why Trey was talking about the news that could happen today. Let me go check that calendar one more time and see if there's anything I missed.
Wait, if that news is good, this green candle could keep going. Shouldn't we put a limit by?
No. It could go either way. That's the problem. That's why I don't go into the trade.
Okay, so what if it goes down and reverses? Shouldn't we put a stop sell so we could get in?
And flip it and
the drop?
reverse it. I know what you're trying to do there, Peter.
Yeah. We what's her name? Flipping and reverse it.
Missy Elliott.
Missy Elliott. Don't say it like I should though.
No, because I just said it 3 seconds ago.
Oh, did you? I barely listened to you. Did I not make that clear? Joanne says, no trade, first 15 minutes. I'm with Joanne, okay? I'm not trading the first 15 minutes. And it looks like there's news at 9:45, so I don't know what's happening there. But I
That's
am
the-
interested in setting a stop sell if it drops.
That's the
down.
S&P. We have PMI, but it's an S&P PMI. I like the ISM, so I don't care so much about this, even though they're 3 stars on the economic calendar on investing.com. We'll see what that comes in at. And then we have Fed member speaks also at the same time, but his voice does not move the weather. And then at 10 o'clock, we have new home sales, which again is not really huge. And then that's it. So not a lot of
Doesn't it show 3
catalyst
stars
today.
there?
¿Qué pasa?
When it
Yes,
shows
it does,
3
but-
stars, isn't that important?
Well, it could be important, but not necessarily move markets.
Why are you checking the calendar there instead of on your Secret Profit dashboard?
I did. I just wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything.
I see.
Because I forgot to put on the Secret Profit dashboard the time that it happens at.
Well, that's not very important.
And then over here, when I was taking a look at the February 20th, I only saw 4 items. I was like, did I miss anything? So I was just checking to see where I
Oh no, Trey, my long is looking sad. Look, man, I'm wishing and praying. I'm gonna use the law of attraction for you right now. Wish it, want
my
it,
God.
be it, do it,
That's
see
what
it,
we should be doing.
taste it.
Why haven't we been using the power of the law? Get my vision board up. Get my Pinterest board up.
Don't you knock a vision board. Oh, we see some green, hopefully. What was your entry, Trey? If you want to tell us, you don't have to tell us. I mean, you don't have to say anything.
So this is a mic trade. We broke above the weekly and daily VWAP levels. We confirmed it on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. If this candle closes in 5 minutes and it's confirmed, and then this would be the move up.
Okay, so then we go long.
I can't go long. It's too late. I only like getting at my perfect.
I just need a little bit. If I could get $30, I'd be happy. Just a little bit. 3 contracts.
You want to risk $75 to make $30?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
are you, a
That,
negative RR person?
4x hike, baby. Negative
That's
RR.
true. That's true. I was just about to insult the
I like
negative
Forex
RR
Ike.
crew, but,
Everything he said in his Alpha's interview, I was like, that sounds like me. I like that guy.
What? You hate negative RR? What are you talking about? You would never do that.
Or, well, I don't know. There's a bunch of all right. We got some.
You'd
good stuff.
risk $300 to make $100?
Wait, shut up for a second. Ask me in a second. Joanne says there is a bunch of sell orders at 24.9. Hey, that's what Mike says. A bunch of sell orders at 24.9. So, oh, thank you for the warning. Okay, good, because I was about to go long. Thank you for that. And sorry, Trey. Trey says he got in at 24.870 and 25.
870. Also, really at the breakout.
870. Let me see where that is. 870.
It's above the daily.
All right, I see that there. All right. Well, I want it for you. Trey. That's for sure.
Well, let's see what the dollar is doing. The dollar right now is bullish, not looking good for equities.
I'm gonna put a limit buy at 24.950, and I'm gonna put a stop sell below VWAP.
Isn't this interesting, Peter? If I take a look at Bitcoin at the same time that today the MNQ fell to its daily level.
Say again.
Today, the same time that that MNQ fell to this daily level that we were expecting, Bitcoin fell to its daily level that we were expected to, and it's bouncing to. I should pay attention to that and expect that to be a strong support zone then. Oh my God, look at that. Trey must be happy. Tom is not.
He hit his take profit.
Yeah, boy.
All right. As soon as I buy, this market's going to turn on. Watch. Wait, this is breaking my rule. This is me being seduced by the. I'm being seduced by the green candle. First of all, I want to celebrate Trey. He hit his take profit. He hit his second take profit. Way to go, Trey.
Yes.
Nice.
All right, you guys got to give that like tax. You got to get a like.
Pay that like tax. I know
and
Trey.
W's in the chat for Trey here. W in the chat for Trey. Yeah.
These are the days. Up 120 on the day so far. You did good, sir. You did good. All right.
We hit a 2-hour level, so this is normally where I would consider a short. Plus, we're just about to get to the 9:45 candle. So at time frame changes, on 50-minute time frame changes and 2-hour time frame changes is when I generally look for trend reversals. But we'll see. The ultimate thing's at 10 o'clock when all the orbists come in to trade.
Joanne, you saved me 24,900 with that, with letting me know that info, because I definitely was just about to go in, and it looks like we got to pull back. Trey got out at the right time. Trey says, base hits, now I need to hold on to it. Isn't that the whole thing?
That's right.
Isn't that? We talk about I was up 300 and something, and then it gave it all back and then some. So you got to hold on to it. This is Tom was right. I guess it's your last trade. It's the only way I know to hold on to it. Never trade again. Walk out of the casino and never look back. Just pretend that it's just exploding on fire and you're slow motion walking out.
See, that I have a problem with that sort of idea. Like, I get it.
Okay.
It's sort of like if a baseball player gets out there and he hits a home run, he's still got to go play the next. He can't be like, well, I'm out for the game, guys. I'm out. I did well. I'm just gonna leave.
That's right.
You're playing a game, a sport. If you have a problem with continuing, if you're winning, you got to fix that problem. Right?
I get it. Although I do think, I mean, I'm not a sports ball person, but I do think that you can step out and not play anymore if you like care about your stats or something. I don't know. I don't play sports. I don't know. All right. Juan says, good, Peter. Thanks to the book map. Look, that's just what Mike would say. That's exactly what Mike would say. Thank you for that. Appreciate it. 25,000, a bunch of sell orders too. Really? So maybe Tom. Oh, bunch of sellers at 24. I gotta mark that. Thank you. So maybe we will get a reversal. I wonder.
See, if I had my strategy activated properly in TradersPost,
Mm-hmm.
set up for these levels, because I always want
Yeah.
to take a bounce at these levels,
Right.
then I wouldn't have to worry about it.
So why don't you have that set up?
Because I was burned from yesterday. I felt all sad about yesterday.
Uh-huh.
And then I was upset that I missed the trade short in the overnight.
Right.
Because again, I didn't want to think about it. I was like, oh, let me get some time to detox. And now I miss a massive bounce that I've been expecting for the last 3 days.
All because of
We
emotion.
could completely reverse up. We could just get a complete run up here.
Okay, just calm down. Just calm down.
I'm just saying that if I use TradersPost the way that it's supposed to be used,
Yeah,
I wouldn't be in this situation.
I get it. Now, how do we take advantage of the flippity flop?
We can't. There's nothing. We can't do anything now.
Look at this move. Oh my God, this is crazy,
beautiful.
Tom.
It's beautiful.
All because you were distracted during the setup of this stream.
All because I was distracted.
Brutal.
But that's fine. It's my first day at TradersPost, so it makes sense that
it's understandable.
Mistake.
All right, so we're about to pass.
Negative gamma is gamma in the option space is now at 784, so we're increasing in positive gamma, which makes me think we're not really going to get a huge extended move here. Let's see what happens there.
Oh,
but
you said that before 24.9. So
well, this is not a huge move. Like this candle that we have right now, like we've had way bigger ones over the last few days. This is just that it bounced off where we expected it to bounce off, but this is just a normal move. We didn't even recover the highs of the overnight. So the closer we get to the highs of the overnight, which is around 24,980, the more likely it is that we sell off towards the downside. I'm actually generally bearish on equities because the dollar keeps going up. Like, look, the dollar here is also bouncing off that level, and it's coming up above. Let me just hide this wave here.
Is this a reversal?
Yeah, the reversal might be happening because we have the dollar bouncing up, and it looks like it wants to break. Looks like if this breaks out to bullish, that's it. We're getting a full-on flush down of all these different things.
So why don't we prepare ourselves for that?
Because, Peter, it's not a perfect trade. I'm just telling you the weather. Okay? But I'd rather wait till 10 or I'd rather wait till 12. I don't want to preempt it.
Okay.
Because anything can happen now.
Is there nothing you could set up in TradersPost to get it to prepare that for if it does happen?
No, because it depends on what's happening here. This is really a command pad type situation where you want to be ready in order to enter the trade. But me, it's more like, how much do I want to risk to try to get into this trade? So let's say it might take me 3 times to get into the trade properly, and I'm risking $75 a piece. I go, well, do I really want to risk that for this downside move? Not really. Because if, let's say, we do fall down over here. Let's switch to the 2 hour. Let's say the candle does fall and I miss this whole thing and we reverse this entire candle that we're in right now. What I expect is that we break below, we confirm this 24/7 level from underneath, and that would be my entry. Because I have all this a short, because I have an expectation that we fall down to 23,960, and that's 744 points to the downside. So I'd much rather take that trade.
So why don't we set that up?
Because it depends on the manner of its return, how the price returns back down here, how fast it does it, when it does it, what volatility is at the time, what the option space says. That's what I want to pay attention to, and I can't consider all those things at once. Actually, I'm just hearing myself now. Remember the tool we made yesterday for
the alert?
The alert conditions? We made a tool specifically in order to account for this sort of thing, but I haven't tested it out in the wild yet.
No, I get it. No, I understand. I'm being seduced. Although I fully expected it to reverse to go down to VWAP. So I could have gotten...
Yeah, so it goes down to VWAP here. It's like, does it bounce? Does it not? We have all kinds of support levels here. We have the overnight VWAP that's here. We have the current VWAP, the session VWAP. We have weekly VWAP. Like, there could be a lot of support here, and we could bounce all over the place. One of the reasons I started putting 2-hour VWAP levels on my chart is that these create these levels create price likes to revisit those levels just for funsies, just for wixies. And I don't feel like getting chopped out today.
I totally get you, man. Follow the rules. Don't be seduced by the candles. And there's always another trade. We are not traders. We are risk managers. I'm channeling my inner Mike Christensen.
That's right. And OpEx day is like anything can happen. A tweet can move markets, and then it's crazy.
Wait, if I just tweet right now, it'll move the markets?
Yeah, Peter. If you tweet right now, it'll move markets. Someone could set their OpenClaw bot to go and
I'll just tweet out from my parody. I'll tweet out from my parody account. It's called The Real Donald Trump. It's weird. This whole time, people thought it was Donald Trump's actual account, and it's just been me the whole time.
I have actually a Real Donald Trump _, and people follow it religiously too. I'm kidding. That's not my account. If it's a real thing, don't follow it. It's not me. I'm just joking.
Yeah, and I am not the real Donald Trump on Twitter. So,
all right. So, are we going to get a bounce here at VWAP? I mean, we should get a bounce at VWAP. And if it's one of those things where we'll reverse at 10 o'clock, I would expect a bounce up to 24,907 or 24,962.
What?
That might be the place where I take the trade to go down the other way.
Oh, I see. When you say bounce, every time you say bounce, I always think it goes up, but you mean it could go down with a bounce?
Well, a bounce here to go up so that I can enter into it for it to fall down.
But you said 24.9.
Yeah, 24.9 is up. Sorry. Yeah, 24.9 is above where we are right now.
I'm being stupid. I'm being stupid, bro. 24.
Yeah, I could have told you that.
861. But you shut up. All right, so I'm entering a short, a limit sell at 24.9, just like Tom told me to do. Everybody, financial advice. I'm just joking. Don't.
Okay, so Gamma got pulled back in quite a bit. So
that's negative.
Yeah, well, it's still a positive Gamma, but it got pulled back in. So it's likely to it's bearish. No, not bearish, but more likely that a move gets exacerbated.
All right, I got glitched out, so we have an extra screen there. I don't know if you want to remove that.
Oh,
I don't know how to do it.
Just so it's clear to people, when I'm saying Gamma, we're talking about this is a Greek in the option space. And all it means is that if there's a large amount of positive Gamma, or the more positive Gamma you have, the more likely price gets pinned within a range. And if you have negative Gamma, the more likely price extends beyond it and trends. But it does not mean bullish or bearish. The only reason I'm adding bullishness or bearish on top of that is that I'm looking at the trend of the dollar. If the dollar is moving up, trending up, then negative Gamma is likely to cause bearishness. If the dollar is moving down, negative Gamma would likely cause bullishness.
So what does the second profit predict?
Right now, that we're going to be around this range for a while. I'd be looking at 10 o'clock for a big move. All right, so we did get a bounce up here, a little bit of a bounce up on the 1 minute. We saw that we got up to around 24,894. We didn't even get to the 15-minute VWAP yet. But let's see. We're oscillating right now around the daily VWAPs from yesterday. So if you guys haven't seen this over or here, yesterday VWAP closed at 24,864, right? This level here. So that's where that's where price is oscillating right now. And when you're oscillating around VWAP this way, or any of these VWAP levels, this is another indication that we're pinned around a certain price. Even if you don't have access to the option space, you can just see how price is moving around VWAP. Now we're moving wide around VWAP over here. Let me see if we can get my pointer back up here. Give me 1 second. But you see here, Peter, how in the overnight we crossed the VWAP levels here. We moved up to the top of the range. This top of the range was just the daily level from a few days ago, right? You see it over here, this daily level from a few days ago?
Yeah.
That's where we are right now. And the lower level where we just touched is just the daily VWAP from a week ago. So the range that we're actually in is like this big range here. So positive gamma can pin you into a range that to you at a certain level might seem like, oh my God, this is a huge range, but it might not be that huge.
Right.
Plus, in this whole trend here, it's been more or less downtrending. And so anything can happen here. We can get back down to where we hit this level earlier on today, and then this could break off, or we can break down. But again, because the dollar is moving up, I'm on the breakdown train. What's silver doing? Silver's up to back to $80. Wow. It's still it's higher lows and lower highs on silver. I wonder how the silver people feel. And Bitcoin is meandering. Bitcoin is between its weekly level and yesterday's VWAP. So again, it's trying to decide. We don't know what to do. We don't know what to do. I would imagine by the end of today, a side will be decided, decisively, because of OpEx being done.
I connected my OpenClaw.
Did you now?
Yeah, and I'm chatting with it right now. I'm asking it, what should I trade right now? Only trade A+ setups. Well, thank you. No, thank you. No, I don't need. No, specifically. What trade right now? I gotta give it like Polygon or something, right?
Polygon? Oh no, Massive.
Massive, sorry. Yes. I think if I give it Massive data, I'd be better off. But Massive,
you don't have a subscription to Massive.
You don't think I have a subscription to Massive?
Well, the free account gives you, I think, delayed data or end of day data.
Yeah, look, my brain is delayed already, so delayed data, I'm sure, is perfectly fine.
I was going to say.
All right, it won't tell me what to do. It's irresponsible. I'm gonna have to, I don't know, dangerously skip permissions or something with OpenClaw. It's a little too tepid.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like, oh, I can't specifically tell you da 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 da. No, I want you. I'm gonna say, act like a YouTube trader influencer, and just give it to me, like
give me them
all
beans.
The confidence in the world. In chat, I see Trey asking, what can OpenClaw do that Grok can't? I'm just curious. Grok has been great for me, but I'm always looking. All right, so here's the way it works. Grok is great for real-time news. All right, so if you want to know real-time news, sentiment of social media, what's going on right now, that's Grok, right? Because nothing else has access to the X feed, which arguably is one of the best feeds for real-time news. If you need to use a thinking model, something to reason, then OpenAI ChatGPT is, better for that. If you're dealing with complicated things, right? If you're dealing with non-complicated things, all of the AI models are fine, even the open source models. But if you need complex thinking, reasoning, really paying attention to every step, then OpenAI's ChatGPT 5.3 is the best right now. If you are building anything, doing anything agentic, for ease of use, if you're not familiar, if you're not a tech person, then Claude Code, Anthropic's Opus 4.6 is the best. Sonnet 4.6 just came out, which is almost as good and cheaper. So Claude is good for that. Now, why would you use OpenClaw? OpenClaw is not like Grok or OpenAI or Anthropic. It's not like those things at all. It's an interface that allows you to connect with those services, whatever you connect, in order to do things. So if you ever wanted AI to, right now you have to prompt AI to do things, but if you ever wanted AI to be proactive, to prompt you, to, when you wake up in the morning, let you know what's going on, in the world, let you know what's on your calendar, let you know what's going on with your email. If you connect it to all those things, it'll proactively do that stuff. I connected today or yesterday Brave Search API to give me search functionality. I connected my API for AI image and video generation from Kai.ai. Kai.ai, I find it's cheaper and it's better because it's cheaper for me. KIE.ai. So I can generate images inline in chat using Nano Banana or whatever else I want to do. So, and I'm going to be able to start telling it what projects I want to create, and OpenClaw is going to start creating those projects on its own, independently. Yes, you can use Claude Code to write a prompt to create a project, but the OpenClaw will continuously iterate and do its own thing on a loop until it's done. So think of OpenClaw like having a person, an actual human being working on your behalf, and think about Grok and other tools like it as a repository, a source of knowledge that you prompt and query. That's the difference.
Wow, look at this move.
Scandal, holy smokes, what's going on right now?
All right, so this is a Mustang trade. This is a Mustang trade.
Why didn't you think I'm going? Do I go in?
No.
Oh, no. I'm being
so this is a Mustang trade. You guys will see here that when you have a cross between the overnight and the session VWAP, this is exactly the type of trade that Mustang likes to take, and it's exploded upwards. I almost took the trade, but
God damn, Tom, you must be kicking yourself right now.
Actually, I feel pretty good right now.
No, you must be so feeling bad right now, don't you?
No, what I did is that I just went on another screen. I deleted all my accounts from everywhere. I deleted all my social medias, closed all my platform accounts. And you know what? I feel pretty... I'm taking up my cross and I'm following him. Peter, didn't you know that it's easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle than for a rich man to get into heaven?
Yeah, people misunderstand that. Yeah. You don't want to be a rich man? Is that what you're saying?
I can't be. I'm too righteous of a man to be rich.
You're too righteous. Well, look.
Yeah. So you see here how the price went to the
oh my god, I would have went in and I would have been I would have went in bullish and it would have been ripped. Why is it that the market knows what I want to do and it counters me? Go ahead. Sorry.
You see how the price went up to these 2 levels, 2-hour levels?
Yeah.
That's what I was saying before, like it can easily wick into those levels. Now that it's through there though, this to me is like that would have been a nice short to get in.
Okay, but this is what I'm asking you. Like, we got to look ahead. What are we going to do next? Like, what's the next move?
I already told you. This stuff is what I was worried about.
No. Don't tell me what you told
next
me.
Move,
right now, we're after 10, it's 10:03.
The next move
yeah,
is once we fall down over here, down to 24.6, and it bounces back up to 24.692. That's where I would enter a short. Why? Because I want to aim for down here. 23.960.
692. All right, good. I like that, Tom.
Now,
finally, you're useful.
Yeah, it's unfortunate that I have to have a job and work.
But do you?
Look, I'm telling you, this is why I have to move to HR. I can't do both at the same time. I just got to go do something else. I'm getting my realtor's license. We're doing that on the side as well.
Joanne, yeah, I'm with you. I was yammering while that candle was showing up. Thanks, Peter. Great explanation. My pleasure, sir. My pleasure. I am obsessed with this AI stuff, as you can probably tell. Reminder, everybody out there, if you're watching and you're seeing this candle and you're not in the trade, don't feel FOMO. Don't feel bad. There's always another trade. It's important to be responsible, disciplined, follow your rules, and don't let the candle seduce you to making terrible mistakes. If you missed the move, you missed the move. You can sleep.
It's like what the French say. Il y a toujours un autre trade. There's always another trade. It's a classic French idiom.
Oh yeah, ending in an English word. Okay, all right.
It's called an
cope? Am I engaging in copium right now because I missed it? Yeah, a little bit.
This is a great short, Peter. This is a good area. If you wanted to try a short,
I'm shorting, baby.
I'm
shorting.
Oh, it's too late. It's too late.
You
You're arg.
Honestly, if I wasn't on Price Action Live right now, I think I would have made 5 mistakes already. My account would be pretty close to blown right now.
Right.
Maybe I'd be on the wrong side of all of this stuff.
I could pretty much guarantee it.
You didn't have to add. You didn't have to.
I was
You
trying
know,
to yes and you.
You're quick.
All right, Peter. Well, let's.
Wait, hang on.
wrap
Joanne
it-
in chat says, toujours un autre trade, oui.
Exactly. See, I did this for Joanne. I
No.
knew Joanne would be on my team. I knew she would like
don't
it.
do that, Joanne. He's terrible.
Peter doesn't know a good joke when he hears one. Don't worry, Joanne. We're gonna get Peter out of here tout de suite. He's gonna get out of here. Beat it. All right. Well, we have to wrap up for the trading for today. I'm so happy to have everyone here. Please like
the
channel,
video.
subscribe
Yes.
it. It's always helpful to get other people here, get us more notoriety, and allows us to get better people, Peter, on the show to replace my brother Peter. We'll be back later on today for after hours at 4 p.m. in order to review trade setups for today, as well as look at some of the macro events that we're paying attention to over the next couple of weeks. It's very useful to have a weather report for what's going to come down the pike, but also very good to analyze your trades after the market has already closed. It's sort of like reviewing your performance after you've done it in order to become a better performer, better athlete, all that sort of thing. So that's today at 4 p.m. And then we'll be back next Tuesday for Price Action Live at 9:30 a.m. for even more trading. Peter, that's it. Say goodbye to everyone, and we wish you guys, as always, happy trading.
Happy trading, folks. It was fun.
Yeah, it's great.